Hi, this is the second property in the Auction Northeast, auction on the 7th of April. This is lot number 5, 33 Dent Street, Hartlepool, a two-bedroomed mid-terraced house. It's guiding at £10,000. Only problem with it is that it has a ground floor bathroom. And ordinarily, I don't buy a property with a ground floor bathroom unless I can move it to the first floor without sacrificing a bedroom. That's my policy. That's what I advise people to do as well. Question is, can I move this bathroom upstairs without sacrificing a bedroom? And I think I can. It's tight, but I think it's possible. This, by the way, is an east-facing rear, so that it's another downside. That you don't get the sun in the evening on this sort of what I assume is a patio area. I can't see the back of the property. Tried on the satellite, but I can't see it. But you come in through the ground floor here, through this lobby. You've then got this internal hall. Not quite clear what happens at the back here, but the blue area is, I assume, the bathroom. Then you go upstairs to two bedrooms, a little bit of a dog's leg in this bedroom here. Okay, this is about 7 by 9. This is about 14 by 13 feet. That's 3 by 4 meters or thereabouts. Now, this is what I would propose to do. I bring in another map because the map on the system doesn't hold still. What I propose to do is this. I'm going to put a line through here, which is slightly more than this area, which I think is about 2'6", about 600 mil, 800 mil. And into this line, I would bring in a access through the middle. And on the one side, I put a WC, and on the other side, I have the shower. So I have the loo pad on the one side, shower on the other side, and a wash basin straight ahead of you, and a wall out. And then to get into the bedroom, I come through here, into the bedroom in this area here. Now, maybe I can't get both in, but I can certainly get one in. And in any event, down here, I've got a loo, WC, which I'd retain. So I'd have, on the ground floor, I'd have a cloakroom effectively, kitchen, cloakroom in this area, and lounge. Then upstairs, not en suite quite, but I'd have the two bedrooms, still be able to retain the two bedrooms, and put a shower room, not a full bath, a shower room into this area here, adjusting what happens on this wall, this length. And this length from there to there is about 14 feet, I think, old money, or about 4 meters. And that is what I would do. It needs carefully working out. And remember that any walls that you build, they should be 4-inch stud walls, but you could probably do them in 2 inches, maybe certainly 3 inches, but do insulate them. So you be packed with insulation. And you can also use sliding doors as well, rather than opening doors. So you slide the door inside the wall, which solves another problem as far as space is concerned. So that's how I would resolve the problem, and that would leave me with a two-bedroomed terraced house, mid-terraced house, with a downstairs cloakroom and first floor bathroom. And other than that, everything else about this property we get out of the is quite nice. Just to look at the street, wipe that away. This is the street's quite tidy. This is both directions. You've got these traffic calming measures down the side, which I don't think interfere with anything particularly. I think there is parking restrictions. Do I remember parking restrictions on it? No, maybe not. I thought I had parking restrictions. Can't see any off the top of my head. Yeah, maybe I'm mixing that with another one. Oh yes, you've got these traffic calming measures here. So can't see the roof, but I think that's okay. And other than that, oh, here are the parking restrictions, yes. So it's residence permits, 8 AM to 8 PM Monday to Saturday. It's also got neighbourhood watch, I think. Yeah, neighbourhood watch as well. So that is Dent Street in Hartlepool. Energy performance is E. And, oh, it's a cavity wall. Hang on, let's just double check that. Yeah, it's a cavity wall. So you don't lose any internal space having to dry line. So potentially a good buy. I haven't done the numbers on it, but it is potentially worthwhile looking at as a cheap house. Okay, brings me to the end of this video. If you find it interesting, give us a call. Okay, bye.